People thought our world was the only one. As we developed thinking and science, we learned Earth is just one of several planets going around our sun. It took us a long time to understand that many other galaxies exist, and that the tiny lights we see in the night sky are other suns, with their own worlds that might have alien life.
Again, we didn't know of any planets beyond our solar system because we hadn't detected them. So even if we thought, well, we can't be special, we didn't know. And then in the early 1990s, we started being able to detect planets. And now we've detected well over 3,000. We've got missions up there like the Kepler telescope that are just trying to detect planets. So thousands of them. So now the statement is that pretty much every star in the sky will have planets around it, which is remarkable. If you go out, it's a clear night, you go out and look at stars, you can imagine that there will be solar systems around every one. So that allows us to start thinking how many potentially Earth-like planets might there be in the Milky Way galaxy. And the answer is about 20 billion. What you mean there is a rocky planet, the right distance from its star, possibly, if everything's right, to have liquid water on the surface and so on. In a nice distance from the star, perhaps 1 in 10 stars. We talk about a thing called the habitable zone. Now, in the solar system, there are 3 planets in the habitable zone. There's Venus, Mars and Earth. Venus is close to the Sun, Mars further away. All of those planets, though, we think had water on the surface. So they all could have been habitable in that sense. And still, we're looking for life on Mars to this day.
Finding life on Mars would surely be one of the biggest findings ever made by humans. But if there is life on Mars, most scientists think it would be tiny, simple life forms. What would really change how we see everything is finding bigger life forms like plants or animals. Luckily, there is another place in our solar system that might have this kind of life: Jupiter's moon, Europa. Europa Clipper is a space probe developed by NASA to study Europa, a Galilean moon of Jupiter. It was launched on October 14, 2024. The spacecraft used a gravity assist from Mars on March 1, 2025, and then it will later use another gravity assist from Earth on December 3, 2025-2026, before arriving at Europa in April 2030. The spacecraft is planned to spend 4 years studying Europa. This moon has clear signs that it holds a liquid water ocean under its ice surface.